UBA fire. Now wow, una hear that now. Big fire burst the UBA branch for Broad Street, Lagos Island. Everybody dey run. Thick smoke dey everywhere. People jump out windows. Chaos full ground. Today for talk am as e be, we go check wetin happen. Small for one corner, we go yarn some YouTube safety rules make una sabi how to dey safe online too. Wetin happen? UBA fire story. Be like say fire start for Alfred Land Tower basement inverter room, from where e spread reach upper floors. Fire service men from Ebute Elefun and Sari Gomu respond sharp. You know now, people start to panic. Some staff dey climb down windows. Some dey try escape with ladder. Thankfully, no major casualty don confirm yet. UBA come clarify say building wey burn no be UBA house marina their head office. Authorities say safety protocols dey activated. Rescue dey go on. Investigation go show wetin cause am. So my people, this UBA fire na serious matter o. But make we dey careful how we share gist and con ten t online. If you like this video, share am, comment your opinion and subscribe to talk am as e be. Make we stay safe online and everywhere. Until next time, I dey here dey bring una real gist. I be Ozo Baba.